灰老鼠趁小花猫打盹，悄悄用吸管偷喝杯里的牛奶。就在它喝得尽兴时，小猫忽然甩动尾巴，碰翻奶杯，牛奶泼了灰老鼠满身，它顶着湿漉漉的身子，狼狈地奔回老鼠洞。The Grandmas took advantage of the little kite's nap and secretly drank the milk from the cup through a straw. Just when it was drinking to its fullest, the kitten suddenly swung its tail and knocked over the milk cup. Milk splashed all over the gray mouse, and it ran back to the mouse hole in embarrassment with its wet body.